Hi, my name is Alana and people always say I look like Rihanna. You know Rihanna, the one who beat up Chris Brown ass. Some people say I got anger management, but I tell them to kiss my big booty. But there is this one guy I think I'm starting to fall in love with. I mean ladies, he is top notch, he is funny, sexy, beautiful smile and everything. And if you think I'm talking about Little Romeo, well, he is in the past. My new love is named Brandon and people think he look like Soilder Boy, but I think he look more like Bow Wow and Soilder Boy offspring if they had a baby. I'm so lonely in Florida without my love, but in Florida there is always these ugly guys trying to talk to me when I'm walking home. Like this smelly gangsta guy who stalks me and smell like weed. He has dirty dreads and black as coal. But I can wait till we go to Virginia this summer and finally get to meet Brandon. Even my mom thinks he is a great guy, but I don't know ladies, some guys trick you like my last hubby Jordan. But that is so ancient times when the dinosaurs lived. So Brandon, if you are watching this, I want to tell you face to face, well actually face to computer, but don't mind that I think I love you, and I don't mind you being boyfriend number 2.